Manya Prekshakar, respected dear family members, my pranams to you. Lord Shiva is the symbolic presentation of destruction. For any construction, the material is needed. The material may be already used material or unused material. We know the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, water cycle, oxygen cycle, and so on. Why it is cycle? Once it is used, it will be coming back again and again. Lord Shiva is the instrument in the conceptual form, the natural force which is responsible for the destruction, for using the construction, for using the material and energy for the reconstruction. And any destruction is possible through powerful air, powerful water, powerful fire, powerful disease, powerful weapon. Lord Shiva is the symbolic form of all these five. In his hair, within the tuft of the hair, the powerful air has been controlled. The powerful water is also controlled in the tuft. And the powerful fire is controlled in the third eye. And the powerful disease is symbolically presented as the serpent or snake. The powerful weapon has been presented as the Trishulam. All the five in its inert form, in its simple form. Say for example, the lamp which is lit with a small flame, the water falling through the tap, the air coming from the fan, or a simple cold or simple fever, or a simple weapon. These five will never become the instrument for the destruction. It may be starting point, but it cannot be used for destroying anything. So remember pretty well that all the five together put in Lord Shiva in the symbolic form. And Shiva as such is glorious form, Mangalakaram, Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. But Shiva is connected with the goddess of power, Sakthi. When Shiva Shakti Ayukto, when Shiva comes with the Shakti, it becomes a torrential power and torrential force. And Shiva has got a Shanta Bhava, silent Bhava, as a Shivalinga, which is the miniature form of Mount Everest, which is responsible for controlling the environment, weather and climate of 1/3 of the earth. And the same Shanta Bhavam of Lord Shiva through Shivalinga. Shivalinga should have continuously cold water circulation, whereas all the atomic reactor anywhere in the world has got Shivalinga size and shape in the proportionate. That used to have heavy water circulation in that. So light water circulation and heavy water circulation, symbolically they are parallel. It is not that our forefathers have explained all the Shivalinga concept and Shiva Tandava concept in the modern science. But Fridtjof Capra, the scientific personality, emeritus scientist of Berkeley University, in his book Tao of Physics has explained thoroughly, about the Tandava Nritta of Lord Shiva and also Shivalinga concept. You can also see that when the Tandava Nritta of Lord Shiva, symbolically presented in 11 feet height, idol in front of the sun, God particle evaluation, God particle estimation research, which is established in Europe from Denmark to Switzerland. There you can see 11 feet high Lord Shiva in the entrance itself. So symbolically it is presented. So one should understand Lord Shiva concept created thousands and thousands of years ago. still can be explained using ultra modern science. And you can see the air in silent and violent form, as I told you earlier, the water in silent and violent form as a tsunami in the violent form, tornado in the violent form of air, the fire, wild forest fire, you can see they are torrential, uncontrollable always, and the disease, uncontrollable disease, one can see so seriously that one, because sometimes it will be leading to death. The world is facing death only through 5 pathways: air, fire, water, weapon and disease. These are the 5 pathways for the death of any living beings. These 5 together put in Lord Siva in the symbolic form. Remember that Lord Siva is not a human being. It is a symbolic presentation as the human form. Thus our Trimurti Sankalpa and Parvati with Lord Siva, Trishakti Sankalpa, can be explained using modern science, even though our forefathers have not explained using modern science. With our knowledge in the modern science, our knowledge in the ancient science, it is very easy for us to explain ancient Indian customs and rituals and other concepts using the modern science. My request is to use, learn it, teach others, preach others, practice and spread as much as possible. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.